Today we're going to take a look at the free lookup table Cinematic Fade, and then we're going to jump into some of the pro LUTs and mix and match. We're using Photoshop for our demo, but you can use this in DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Premiere, CapCut, and more. Here's our free one, before and after, really nice color grade. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. I'm just going to add one of the pro ones in here. So let's go to adjustments, color lookup, and I've loaded some into Photoshop here. Let's go to stock 14, really nice. And let's even add another one in. Go here, let's try dramatic. So we're comboing two LUTs together. And what I might do here is just drop it down. Go 50. So we've comboed the 14 stock with the 19 dramatic, currently at 50. I'm going to group them all together. There's before and there's after. Really beautiful combination. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version called Cinematic Fade, and I'll also put a link to our complete collection where you can find these two lookup tables that I loaded in. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.